Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into integrating GitHub MCP server with VS Code. Let's get started. So once you hit that, you can say MCP and then it can say list all servers. So we can see I already have a GitHub and a Balaone. So when I click on GitHub and then I say show, so you can clearly see this is one way you can just add directly in the settings.json file, which is the URL here. Let's copy that. And then I'll just quickly walk you through how to add it. So you can say add servers and click on HTTP and give that URL. Hit enter. And then you can say my GitHub demo. Hit enter. It asks you, is it you want to store it in the user settings or workspace settings? So let me do the workspace. Once you do that, it's going to ask you my GitHub wants to authenticate. Once you hit allow, then it asks like which account. Then in my case, Bala-1. Once I hit that, you will be all set. So in this case, I don't want to do this because there is a limitation with Copilot, like 128 tools is the max limit you could do. So if I duplicate this, it's not going to work very well. So let's discard that for now. So once that is completed, so go here, put it in the agent mode. I can say, so let me say full, for example. So immediately it pops up saying like, shall I do the GitHub pull? I say continue. Which branch so I can clearly say it's going to do that. You're currently in the main branch. What file changes? Okay, so you can clearly say it's simple as that. So you can authenticate your MCP server GitHub. There are a few other MCP servers available. We'll see more details. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you again next week. Thank you.